Welcome to ProKitchen University, an online video tutorial series, version 11. This video is part of the Mac Native Interface series for Mac users only. This tutorial is an overview of the Reports feature and instructions on creating the various reports available within the program. Once the design is complete, make sure all plan, non-plan, and additional items have been added to the Bill of Materials report. Any items that have not been added to the Bill of Materials will not show on any created report. To access your report tools, you will find them in two locations within the interface. You may either navigate to the report category at the top of the ProKitchen window and left-click to reveal the drop-down menu, or you can access each of the various reports directly from the upper toolbar. The first report icon on the upper toolbar is Manufacturer Report. This will generate a complete report to be sent to the manufacturer that will contain all items and global specifications applied. Left-click the icon to select. If you have a design that utilizes more than one set of global specifications, you will be prompted to select which catalog the report will be created for, and must be completed for each catalog used. A dialog box will launch with several tabs on the left. The top tab, or General Info, is where you'll enter pertinent information about the design, such as job name, purchase order, order number, promotional code if applicable, ordered by information, and type of order. You may also adjust order and report created dates by clicking the Select button to the right of the option, and add any special instructions if necessary. The next tab in the left panel is Dealer Info. Here, you'll enter or edit the dealer information. In the following tab, Designer Info, you may also enter or edit the designer information. Under the Shipment tab, you can view and edit shipping information. If the manufacturer provides packaging options, they will be found below the email field as a drop-down menu. You may also choose to ship to dealer, customer, or to another location by selecting the appropriate radio button to the left of the option. Under the Warranty tab, enter or edit the information for the recipient of the manufacturer warranty. The Additional Report Data tab is where you'll enter, view, or edit dealer multiplier, tax, and additional discounts and tariff charges. Under the Shipment Charge tab, select how the order is to be shipped, along with other appropriate selections. Then click OK to generate the report as a manufacturer-specific order form. In the preview window of the report, you may save the report, print the report, navigate through the report pages with the blue arrow buttons, or select a certain page to jump to. You may also change the view of the preview of the pages between Fit to Page, Fit Page to the View window, or Fit to Width. Or you may use the Zoom In or Out options to view the document more clearly. Note: report pricing is based solely on the manufacturer specifications selected within Global Options for any given catalog item, such as door styles, finishes, construction type, wood species, and hardware. The next icon found in the upper toolbar is Customer Report. This report will create a quote for your customer. Left-click to select. When the dialog box opens, you will see 4 tabs on the left. In Catalog Settings, select whether or not to include the catalog in the customer report, which will print the selected global specifications, and enable or disable the Show Items Notes option. Then adjust the sales tax, tariff charge, design charge as either a percentage of the order or a flat dollar amount, and if it is to be taxed or not, shipping as $1 per pound, per cubic foot, as a percentage of the cost of the order, or a flat fee, and the option to apply tax to this fee as well. Adjust pallet weight and price when necessary. Enter the installation fee as either a percentage per cabinet, dollar per cabinet, or a flat fee. Then, adjust the pricing parameters as either a discount from list, based on a desired multiplier, or on a preferred margin. For more detailed information regarding how each of these options will apply to your customer pricing, please visit the Pricing Parameters video tutorial. Note: if you are using more than one set of global options or have added additional items to the bill of materials, this process must be completed for each catalog used. In the Logo tab, you can enter or edit logo information and add a header or footer. In the Pricing tab, at the top of the page, you may select whether or not to show item pricing. When enabling this option, the pricing shown will be that of the entire order. This action must be done for each catalog separately, toggling to the additional catalogs with the drop-down menu. You may also view or edit pricing information here. In the Project Settings tab, view or edit information. With the Hardware Settings options, you may choose to show the hardware catalog and associated images or not, and you may also choose whether or not to show countertop elements or use Report Compact mode, which will create the shortest possible report when enabled. Once you have completed entering or editing the information you want generated to the report, select OK to generate. This report will include all the information entered in the Customer Report dialog box, a quote for each catalog used in the design, and on the last page of the report, a grand total quote of all catalogs used will be available. The next report option is Multi-Quote, which is a fantastic tool for price comparisons on varying global option sets. This tool allows you to quote up to 5 different price points within a single manufacturer's catalog. Select the icon to launch the dialog box. At the top of the page in the first tab, select the manufacturer catalog and enter the number of quotes you intend to create. Then adjust the pricing parameters as necessary. Again, you may view or edit the logo settings using the Logo tab, as well as view and edit the project settings. Next, utilize the available quote tabs to set up the differing global options to be quoted. Note: this process must be repeated for each catalog used within the design. This may be done by navigating back to the Catalog Settings tab and using the Catalog drop-down to select. Once the information is complete, select OK to generate a multi-quote report to create a single quote document that will provide a quote for each set of global specifications in such a way that will allow you and your customer to compare the costs of the varying cabinetry options selected. The global specifications will be listed separately, outlining the options selected for each quote created. A line item list will be generated with each quote option pricing provided, as well as a per catalog and total quote for each specified set of global options. Combined Report is for generating a single report using a combination of previously generated reports, an excellent tool in bringing together multiple room quotes for your customer. Prior to generating a combined report, each individual report you plan to use in the combined report must be generated and saved to your computer. Select the Combined Report icon to begin. When the Combined Report dialog box opens, select the Add File icon at the upper left of the dialog box. This will launch a dialog box displaying your computer files. Locate the file you wish to use and select Add File. Once all files have been selected, you may remove a file, move a file up or down within the list, or preview the combined report prior to generation. Click OK to generate and choose a file destination. The last report option is Quick Report, which is a comprehensive, all-inclusive report that makes a great archiving tool for both you or your customer. It's particularly helpful after the design has been installed, as it holds all the information pertaining to the design, which makes it an excellent resource for future reference. Prior to creating this report, make sure all information is complete in design settings, all global specifications are correctly set, and that all report parameters have been corrected. Select the Quick Report icon to begin. A dialog box will appear letting you know the Quick Report is generating. This may take a few moments as the software gathers all aspects of the design to be generated onto this report, which will include all created plan and elevation views, all 3D render views, a complete bill of materials, global specifications for each catalog used in the design, and a countertop or backsplash report if applicable. Once complete, the quick report appears in your PDF viewer, where you may view using the scroll wheel on your mouse or the slider to the right of the page. You can also print or save the report for sharing with your customer. If you have ProKitchen Standard, which is local to your computer only, the Quick Report option may also be generated without having to launch the ProKitchen program. Simply find the DSG file in Finder and right-click. Scroll to the bottom of the menu to find your Quick Print options. With this method, you may initiate and run multiple Quick Reports simultaneously. The ProKitchen report tools are a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and create professional reports quickly and easily. Thank you for visiting ProKitchen University. Be sure to visit us at prokitchensoftware.com.